Bahrain, officially the Kingdom of Bahrain, is an island country in West Asia. It is situated on the Persian Gulf, and comprises a small archipelago made up of 50 natural islands and an additional 33 artificial islands, centered on Bahrain Island, which makes up around 83% of the country's landmass. Bahrain is situated between Qatar and the northeastern coast of Saudi Arabia, to which it is connected by the King Fahd Causeway. The current population of Bahrain is 1,870,817 as of May 14, 2023, based on elaborations of the latest United Nations data, of whom 712,362 are Bahraini nationals. Bahrain spans some 760 square kilometers, 290 square miles, and is the third smallest nation in Asia after the Maldives and Singapore. 14. The capital and largest city is Manama. Bahrain is the site of the ancient Dilmun civilization. It has been famed since antiquity for its pearl fisheries, which were considered the best in the world into the 19th century. Bahrain was one of the earliest areas to be influenced by Islam, during the lifetime of Muhammad in 628 AD. Following a period of Arab rule, Bahrain was ruled by the Portuguese Empire from 1521 until 1602, when they were expelled by Shah Abbas I of the Safavid dynasty. In 1783, the Bani Abbas clan captured Bahrain from Nasser al-Madkar, and it has since been ruled by the Al-Khalifa royal family, with Ahmed al-Fateh as Bahrain's first hakim. In the late 1800s, following successive treaties with the British, Bahrain became a protectorate of the United Kingdom. In 1971, it declared independence. Formerly an emirate, Bahrain was declared an Islamic constitutional monarchy in 2002. In 2011, the country experienced protests inspired by the regional Arab Spring. 18. Bahrain's ruling Sunni Muslim Al-Khalifa royal family has been criticized for violating the human rights of groups including dissidents, political opposition figures, and its majority Shia Muslim population. Bahrain developed the first post-oil economy in the Persian Gulf. 20. The result of decades of investing in the banking and tourism sectors. Wink with a frown. 21. Many of the world's largest financial institutions have a presence in the country's capital. It is recognized by the World Bank as a high-income economy. Bahrain is a member of the United Nations, Non-Aligned Movement, Arab League, Organization of Islamic Cooperation and the Gulf Cooperation Council. Bahrain is the dual form of Arabic Bahr, sea, so Al-Bahrain originally means the two seas. However, the name has been lexicalized as a feminine proper noun and does not follow the grammatical rules for duals, thus its form is always Bahrain and never Bahrain, the expected nominative form. Endings are added to the word with no changes, as in the name of the national anthem Bahrainina, our Bahrain, or the demonym Bahraini. The medieval grammarian Al-Jawahari commented on this, saying that the more formally correct term Bahri, lit. belonging to the sea, would have been misunderstood and so was unused. It remains disputed which two seas the name Bahrain originally refers to. 24. The term appears 5 times in the Quran, but does not refer to the modern island originally known to the Arabs as Awal. Today, Bahrain's two seas are generally taken to be the bay east and west of the island, the seas north and south of the island, or the salt and fresh water present above and below the ground. In addition to wells, there are areas of the sea north of Bahrain where fresh water bubbles up in the middle of the saltwater as noted by visitors since antiquity. An alternative theory concerning Bahrain's toponymy is offered by the Al-Asa region, which suggests that the two seas were the Great Green Ocean, the Persian Gulf, and a peaceful lake on the Arabian mainland. Until the late Middle Ages, Bahrain referred to the region of eastern Arabia that included southern Iraq, Kuwait, Al-Hassa, Qatif, and Bahrain. The region stretched from Basra in Iraq to the Strait of Hormuz in Oman. This was Iqlim al-Bahrain's Bahrain province. The exact date at which the term Bahrain began to refer solely to the Awal archipelago is unknown. 28. The entire coastal strip of eastern Arabia was known as Bahrain for a millennium. The island and kingdom were also commonly spelled Bahrain into the 1950s. Bahrain was home to Dilmun, an important